Hello, I'm in a 2015 GMC Acadia, and today I'm going to show you how you would jump start your vehicle. So first you'd open the hood, and then on the passenger side you'll see your negative terminal port here and a positive port here. And these run to a battery that's inside the car, but hopefully you're able to just jump off of these. And with your jumper cables or your jump box, you're going to take the metal clamps, and as best as you can connect to these metals, you'll have the metal clamp connected to this metal and your negative clamp directly to this negative port. And if you're using the jumper cables and you're running them to another vehicle, make sure that the vehicle is turned on and running, and you have your positive terminal with the clamp leading directly to the positive battery in the other car, and your negative directly to the negative on the other car. You're going to make sure you don't mix match these by mistake, because that can cause serious damage to your computer systems, fuses, circuits, things like that. And hopefully after a few minutes of this, it's given you enough juice to get your car started. If you've been trying this for quite some time and it's still not working, you might need to replace the battery or address the battery inside the car, which, if that's the case, you can find the battery by going into this rear passenger seat. And then underneath this panel here is where that battery is located, which if you need to replace that, you'll need to look up another tutorial video, just because I don't have any tools or anything with me. But there's just a battery mounter there, and you can double check the terminals, make sure they're tight, make sure they're cleaned up. You need a couple longer tools just to reach a couple of the screws to unscrew the bolts to get the old battery out and put the new one in. But it's just right behind here. And then most auto parts stores, they should have everything you need there accessible, so that you can get that battery swapped if you're not any kind of mechanic or anything like that. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.